Understanding a balanced diet, the key to health and fitness. Hello, learners. In today's English lesson, we are going to talk about a very important topic that affects our health and wellness, and that is a balanced diet. We will learn about what a balanced diet is, why it's important, and what it includes. You'll also learn some new vocabulary and phrases along the way. Let's dive right in. A balanced diet is a diet that gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. The word balanced here means that you are getting the right amount of nutrients. Not too much and not too little. A balanced diet includes different types of food in certain quantities and proportions so that the requirement of all nutrients is adequately met. A balanced diet is crucial for your health and fitness. It prevents malnutrition and deficiencies of vitamins and minerals. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight and decreases your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. In simple words, a balanced diet is your ticket to a healthier and more energetic life. Now let's discuss what a balanced diet includes. There are 5 key components. 1. Proteins. These are the building blocks of life, necessary for the growth, development, and repair of the body's tissues. Examples include meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes. 2. Carbohydrates. These provide energy for our bodies. Foods like bread, pasta, and rice are high in carbohydrates. 3. Fats. Though often considered bad, fats are essential for the body. Healthy fats can be found in foods like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. 4. Vitamins and minerals. These are essential nutrients that perform hundreds of roles in the body. They are found in fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and grains. 5. Water. Often overlooked, water is incredibly important as it helps in nearly every bodily function. Remember, these components need to be in the correct proportions for a diet to be considered balanced. And there we have it. Now you understand what a balanced diet is, why it's important, and what it consists of. Remember, eating a variety of foods can help ensure that you get a wide range of nutrients, leading to better health and increased energy. I hope you found this lesson helpful and learned some new English vocabulary along the way. Don't forget to use these new words and phrases in your everyday conversation. Keep practicing, and remember, staying healthy starts with eating a balanced diet.